Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you a quick update regarding the Billions Network Airdrop. So if you're working on this project, then this video is very important, so don't miss it. So if you scroll down in their X profile, you'll see they recently opened season 1 registration. So you need to register to qualify for their airdrop. So the registration is open from April 20 and closes on April 24. So within this time frame, you need to register. So what will happen after April 24? Then their season 1 ends and all power resets to 0 and then season 2 starts. I'll show you the step-by-step method to register, but before that, just a request. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. Now to complete registration, first you need to log into your Billions account. Then here on the right side corner you will see Billions Rewards Season 1 registration portal. Simply click on registration portal. Then click on continue to rewards website. Then you will land on this page. Here you'll notice they clearly mention you need to register to be eligible for rewards, and here you only have 3 days left to register. So to register, click here login with Billions. Then you need to log in with your same email account. Once logged in, you will see these options. So here first you must complete the basic badge. Then you need to connect your wallet. So click on connect, then choose your wallet. So I will select MetaMask, then click on connect. Then you need to agree to the terms and conditions. For this, click on accept, then confirm the MetaMask request and done. So this way your wallet will be connected. Next you need to connect your Google account. So click on connect, then select your email and continue. And done. After that you have 2 more options which are optional. So here you can connect your X account and your Discord account if you want. After that, click here continue to register. As soon as you click on it, your season 1 registration will be completed. As you can see, now our season 1 registration has been successfully completed and our wallet is also successfully registered below. Here you will also find your referral link which you can share with your friends. These are very simple steps that you must complete, especially if you have joined this airdrop. If you still face any problem, just comment on the video. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.